growing vibrant flowers in containers can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Here are some tips to help you achieve success. 1. Select the right container. Choose containers with good drainage holes and appropriate size for the plants you want to grow. Make sure the containers are large enough to accommodate the root systems of the flowers. 2. Use quality potting mix. Invest in high-quality potting soil that is well-draining and rich in nutrients. Avoid using garden soil as it may become compacted and hinder root growth. 3. Choose the right flowers. Select flowers that are well-suited for container gardening. Consider factors such as sunlight requirements, climate, and the size of the container. Some popular container flowers include petunias, geraniums, marigolds, impatiens, and pansies. 4. Provide adequate sunlight. Most flowering plants require at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Place your containers in a location that receives sufficient sunlight for your chosen flowers to thrive. 5. Water regularly. Container plants tend to dry out faster than those in the ground. Check the moisture level of the soil daily, and water the flowers when the top inch of soil feels dry. Be mindful not to overwater, as it can lead to root rot. 6. Fertilize appropriately. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer or slow-release granular fertilizer to provide essential nutrients to your plants. Follow the recommended application rates on the fertilizer packaging, as over-fertilization can damage the plants. 7. Deadhead and prune. Regularly remove spent flowers. Deadheading to encourage continuous blooming. Additionally, trim back leggy or overgrown growth to promote a bushier and healthier plant. 8. Monitor for pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids, mites, or caterpillars, as well as signs of diseases like powdery mildew or fungal infections. Early detection and proper treatment can prevent further damage. 9. Consider companion planting. Some flowers benefit from being planted alongside certain herbs or other flowers, which can help repel pests or improve soil conditions. Research companion planting combinations that work well with your chosen flowers. 10. Protect from extreme weather during hot summers. Consider providing some shade to prevent stress on the plants. In cold climates, move the containers indoors or to a sheltered area during frost or freezing temperatures. 11. Rotate and refresh to maintain vibrant displays. Rotate the containers occasionally to ensure even sunlight exposure. Also, consider changing the flowers seasonally to keep your garden visually appealing year-round. Remember that each type of flower has its own specific needs, so be sure to research the specific requirements of the flowers you choose. Happy gardening!